Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to recognize animals using the Vision framework in native iOS application. So let's get started. So here I am running my application. Here you can see I have image of two dogs, and if you see I am able to detect that the picture contained two dogs. This is the confidence with which Vision framework has detected for us. Like the confidence ranges from 0 to 1. So here it is confident that it is almost 75%, and for this it is 68% confident. I will change the image. I'll rerun my application. Make sure you run your application on a real iOS device. This won't work on a simulator. Also, what I have noticed is that it is good at recognizing cats and dogs, but for other animals it's not really that great. So here you can see it was able to detect it is a cat. Now I will again change the image. I will rerun my application. Let's see. Now this is an horse image, and like when I tried it didn't work. So let's see if it works or not. So here you can see it is not working. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. So if you see inside assets, I have taken these three images. So take whatever image you feel like. Then inside view controller I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. So I have imported the Vision framework. Here is our UI image view. This is this VN recognize animal request, completion handler is nil. Here I have created this dispatch queue so that we can run our code on a background thread. Here is our image view, setting some NS layout constraints to our image view. Then we are creating our UI image as well. Change this to your own image name, to whatever you feel like, whatever you have added inside the assets folder. Setting that image sample image to our image view, and then calling setup vision. Then we run animal classifier, and in this particular method we get the CG image. Okay, and then we just run vn image request handler, pass our CG image, and then we perform this animal recognition request. And if you see setup vision, we just create this vn recognize animal request, and on the main thread we get hold of vn recognized object observation. Then we loop over all it, and then we create the labels for our animals, because there can be multiple animals detected. And once we loop over that, we get the animal identifier as well as the confidence. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.